Hello everyone, welcome to my channel at Srinivasu Gurjala. In this video, we are going to learn control statements in C, in a very simple way. Control statements are used to control the flow of a program. They help us make decisions and execute code based on conditions. Now let's start with the if statement. The if statement executes code only when the condition is true. The syntax of if statement is very simple. If condition, then execute the block of code. In this program, we take a variable num equal to 10. We check if num is greater than 0. Since the condition is true, the output will be positive. Next is the if-else statement. It is used when we have two choices, true or false. If the condition is true, if block executes. Otherwise, else block executes. In this example, num is equal to -5. We check whether it is greater than 0. The condition is false, so the else block executes. The output is negative. Now let's understand nested if. It means placing one if statement inside another if. First condition is checked, then inside that, another condition is checked. In this program, num is 10. First we check if it is positive. Then we check if it is even. Both conditions are true, so the output will be even. Next is the else if ladder. It is used to check multiple conditions. The program checks conditions one by one and executes the first true condition. In this example, marks are 75. We check different conditions step by step. The second condition becomes true, so the output is B. Finally, switch statement. It is used to select one option from many choices. In this example, choice is 2. So case 2 executes and prints 2. That's all about control statements in C. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Srinivasu Gurjala. Thank you for watching.